Welcome to the Champs Crosswalk community. This techcast is in reference on how to go about searching for information in the CCC. This techcast focuses on how to search for a column when you only know the area that it's located in and possibly part of the column name. The CCC has three different methods of doing searches. This particular techcast is focusing on the one where you know the area that the column is in and some of the column name. When you're doing your search, it's possible to limit it to a single area, for example, the Champs data warehouse, or you can search across all of the areas of the data warehouse. Once you've selected the column that you're interested in, you can view information about that column, including comments. These are user comments, the user contributions of their opinions about what the data represents. Also, relationships. These are relationships that the column you selected has with other columns in the data warehouse. And then the last item are screens. This is where the column you've selected is mapped up against the Champs production screens. This is coming in the future. This is a reminder also that if you're a user of the data warehouse and not a developer, the areas that you should focus in for the Champs data warehouse, or the CDW area, are those tables that are views, not the production, but the views. And you should also focus on views that have an H suffix. What I'd like to do now is show you how to go about searching for a particular column inside of the data warehouse. After you log into the Champs Crosswalk community, you will be placed at the splash page, and from the splash page you can go to search. The search we're interested in is the second one that says New Column Search. When you click on New Column Search, you get to select which one of the areas you wish to search in this case the Champs data warehouse area. And I'm going to be looking for a column that I think has the name in it called Copay. So now I'll click on the search, and it brings back a list of objects from the data warehouse telling you which area it's from, in this case the Champs data warehouse area, the database name, the table name, in this case CES-CLM line derived element, and here's a copayment amount. I'm going to click on the first one and click on the details. When I do that, the header of the information shows any information that's known about that particular column from the data warehouse. In this case, its format, that its type is a decimal, and that it's 8 long, and that it is allowed to be a null. The three tabs at the top cover comments, relationships, and screens. And there is one comment in here. As you can see, it's been entered by me. And it says the copay amount is the amount the beneficiary pay, and then there's the three dots. By clicking on the plus key, you can see the entire comment, and then it can be closed out. Because I'm the one who wrote this particular comment, I have permission to edit it. But if you are someone else looking at this comment, you'll be able to view the comment but not edit it. This is an example to go about using the column search to locate a particular column in the database when you only know the column name. There'll be another techcast video on the other methods of doing searches. We encourage you to use the system, and if you have any questions or improvements or suggestions, please click on the feedback link right here on the menu item and send us some feedback to let us know. Thank you very much.